It's kind of interesting though, just seeing like traveling across the map. I don't know, I need a faster form of transportation. What we could do is we could just build roads. Because we've just unlocked the asphalt. And I'm pretty sure that Hella built like a buggy or something earlier. So realistically, we could start setting up a road. But then do we also try and set up trains? And how fast are trains? Like, I have like a million questions. But I suppose the only way we're going to find any of the answers to these is by actually like building things.